Hi friends, welcome to Shalini's Chalk Talk YouTube channel.
Merry Christmas to you all. Today I am just going to help how to make Christmas tree on our own. Let's see what are the materials needed. Christmas tree decoration strings and the Christmas tree ornaments and the scissor and sellotape and a battery operated serial bulbs and a chart paper. Come, let's start doing it. Now let's make a cone shape with the chart paper. Now we are going to stick it with the help of a sellotape. Now we are done with pasting and we'll start cutting the edges to make it a proper cone shape. Now our cone is ready and we are just going to roll this garland strings. And one more thing, before doing that we have to make a small hole over here. We can find a small hook over here, so we can insert it on that hole and it will be easy for us to roll. Let's roll it. We can paste by using a sellotape. We can paste it here so that it will not be coming out. So friends, we have to roll it and we have to have a firm grip so it will be looking nice like this. Friends, so I am just taking another garland stick because this is not sufficient for me. So we are just joining these two. Like, just continue with the step. Another string with this one. And we'll just roll it. So now we are done with rolling, and make sure that you just covered all this with a sellotape. It should not come out. Friends, so with the help of this pearl head pin, like this, we are going to insert all the ornaments. Let's see. This way. We have to insert like little bit of slanting so that it will be easy for us to insert, like this way. So friends, sometimes the ornaments may fall, so what we can do is we have to insert this inside the string like this way, and we can do it so it will not fall. Yeah. So I'm just taking the another one, and we have to do the same, repeat the same process. You have to insert like this way. Our Christmas tree is getting ready. We will just insert the rest of the ornaments. Friends, finally our Christmas tree is ready. Now we are going to just fix the lights over this. As I told you already, it's a battery operated light. Let's fix it. So we'll take the corner of the bulb and using the pin and so that we can roll like this way. So it will not come out and it will stay longer. So it's a simple tip which I used this way, like this way. Okay, now we are just inserting it over here. Okay. Here we go. You have to do this step very careful so that it will not, other ornaments will not get damaged. Now our Christmas tree is ready. Here it goes, and we'll just switch off the light and have a look. Oh, finally, wow, it's looking super cool. So friends, try this at home, and once again wishing you all a happy and Merry Christmas. Thank you. You can just see how our Christmas tree is looking nicely with the lights off. Okay, so please do try this at home. It will be most beautiful looking.